This video is sponsored by BeCraftee.
Hey everyone, I'm here today with a very special video. I'm going to be checking out these beautiful hooks by BeCraftee today. BeCraftee was very kind to send me the hooks to use for this video, and I'm really excited to open up this cute little travel case and see what's inside. So first of all, I do want to talk about the travel case. It is adorable. I love the polka dots. I love the design. Another thing I really love about this is that it's a very durable case. I love that it has almost kind of like a hard shell quality to the outside of the case so that if you do put it in your travel bag, you know, nothing's going to get squashed. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. All right, and as you can see, we have all kinds of goodies inside here. So let's talk more about these beautiful crochet hooks. I love these ergonomic handles. They look so comfy to use, especially when you consider some of these very small sized crochet hooks. You know, if you didn't have this handle, this would be a very, very small area to try and hold. And this handle helps to ensure that you don't get as many cramps and that you have just a lot of comfort while working, even with a very small sized crochet hook. I love that the hooks are color-coded. It's so helpful for finding the hook that you're looking for to have them be all different colors. And again, these comfy handles are just wonderful. They're great for all different kinds of projects. If you're going to be crocheting for a long time, it's wonderful to have the comfort of the ergonomic handle. And another great thing about these is that the tips of the hooks are made to not slip or snag on your projects, which is always a huge plus. It's one less thing to worry about while you're working on your projects. They're very high quality, and if you're going to invest in a set of hooks, it's always best to invest in one that's going to last you a while, that's durable, that's comfortable to use, and that's just overall high quality. So here's a look at everything inside. As you can see, we have some beautiful hooks. We have lots of accessories. There's even a hook conversion chart, which is really helpful. And just look at all the bright colors that these hooks come in. I love that they're color-coded by size because it makes it so much easier to find the hook that you're looking for. So there are 9 crochet hooks included, which means that they're great for a variety of different projects. Let's take a look at some of the accessories that are included. So we have this gauge measure ruler included. So this is really helpful for getting the right size for all your different projects. Next, we have this little pouch that's included in the packaging, and it has all kinds of accessories inside. Let's take a look. We have some wonderful stitch markers. Let's open them up. Okay. And again, I love that these are all different colors. They're very cute, and these will be very helpful to use on any project where you have to count stitches. And they're also very easy to open and close. They're locking, so you don't have to worry about them going anywhere while you're working on your project. Another thing that I love about this set is that it actually does come with its own pair of folding scissors. This is wonderful because you don't have to remember to pack scissors. So let's take them out and have a look. So you just pull them apart, and there you go. You have a nice little pair of scissors. When you're ready to put them back, put them back together, and they go right back in your little pouch. Next is this pack of sewing needles, yarn needles. And if we open these up, we can see that we have several different ones. And again, they come in different colors, which is really fun and cute, and you don't have to worry as much about losing them. They're very bright and easy to see. The set also comes with 2 stitch holders. They're different colors and different sizes, so you can use them for a variety of different projects. And we have a wonderful little row counter here. I absolutely love this, and I am going to be making good use of it because it would be so helpful for a project where you have to make a certain number of rows in your project, and instead of having to go back and count them over and over, now you can just use this handy little row counter. I absolutely love that it's included in this kit. And we also have a measuring tape, which is very handy for measuring your projects, making sure that they're coming out the right size. Of course, who doesn't need a measuring tape in their kit? It's very helpful. It's nice to have in with all of these other very helpful accessories. The hooks are very secure inside the case, as are all the other accessories. So if you're traveling, you don't have to worry about them moving around, getting loose, getting damaged. It's a very secure, durable case. So I hope you've enjoyed learning more about BeCraftee hooks today. These hooks are so beautiful. I absolutely love this crochet hook kit. I love that it has so many accessories and that the crochet hooks are so high quality and comfy to use. Thank you so much to BeCraftee for providing this hook case for me to use for this video. It's wonderful for travel, for using at home. It's just a high quality, durable kit. And the colors are fun and the accessories are very helpful. Thank you for watching with me today, and happy crocheting!